A futuristic aircraft concept called Luanniao is suddenly capturing global attention. The design describes a massive near-space flying carrier that could weigh about 120,000 tons and release 88 advanced drones while cruising far above normal flight paths. If such a platform ever becomes possible, it could redefine how aerial systems operate. In this video, we will discuss what exactly is Luanniao, why was it imagined, and can physics actually allow something this enormous to fly? The Luanniao concept has attracted attention because it proposes something radically different from traditional aircraft. Instead of building another jet designed for passengers or cargo, the idea imagines a giant airborne platform that operates like a carrier in the sky. The concept has been discussed in connection with futuristic aerospace studies associated with China's aviation industry corporation and an initiative often called the Nantianmen project. This project explores experimental ideas for next-generation vehicles that could operate at extremely high altitudes. The numbers attached to the Luanniao design are what make people pause. According to reported specifications, the aircraft could measure about 242 meters long with a massive 684-meter wingspan. To visualize that scale, the wingspan alone would stretch far wider than most passenger aircraft flying today. The proposed maximum takeoff weight of around 120,000 tons pushes the idea even further into extraordinary territory. Aircraft engineers usually work with vehicles measured in tens or hundreds of tons, so a platform measured in the tens of thousands begins to resemble infrastructure rather than a conventional airplane. The aircraft's mission is equally unusual. Luanniao is imagined as a high-altitude launch base for unmanned aircraft rather than a vehicle performing tasks itself. Public descriptions say it could deploy 88 advanced drones known as Luanniao. After leaving the carrier platform, these drones would operate independently while staying connected to the central system through communication links. Another defining element of the design is its proposed operating altitude. The concept places Luanniao in the near-space region, a zone above typical aviation routes, but still below orbital spacecraft. Flying at these heights could allow the platform to remain above clouds and weather systems while maintaining a wide view of the Earth's surface below. The Luanniao concept reflects a growing trend in aerospace design that emphasizes cooperative systems rather than single, powerful machines. Over the past decade, engineers have increasingly focused on networks of vehicles that share information and operate together. In this framework, the value of a system comes not from one aircraft, but from the collaboration between many platforms. Luanniao fits neatly into that philosophy. By serving as a central hub for dozens of drones, the platform would allow many smaller aircraft to operate as part of one coordinated network. Instead of sending a single aircraft to observe an area or collect information, the carrier could release numerous drones that spread out across large distances. One of the key ideas behind this approach is persistent aerial presence. Conventional aircraft must return to base regularly for maintenance and fuel. This limits how long they can remain in a region. A near-space carrier positioned high above the atmosphere could potentially stay in place for extended periods. From that altitude, it could coordinate drone activity continuously while maintaining a broad perspective over the surface below. Another interesting aspect of the Luanniao concept is how it mirrors the structure of aircraft carriers at sea. Naval carriers serve as mobile bases that launch and support multiple aircraft. Luanniao would bring that same principle into the sky. Positioned high above the Earth, it could function as a stable operating platform for a fleet of drones, enabling them to travel long distances while staying connected to a central command system. The broader Nantianmen concept associated with Luanniao has also entered public conversation unusually. Reports suggest that a 40,000 square meter Nantianmen-themed attraction is planned in Shanghai's Lingang Special Area, with an expected opening around 2027. This attraction aims to present futuristic aerospace ideas through exhibitions and immersive storytelling experiences. However, once the excitement surrounding the concept settles, engineers inevitably ask a practical question. Could a vehicle weighing tens of thousands of tons actually stay airborne in near-space conditions? That question leads directly into the engineering realities behind the idea. The most significant challenge surrounding the Luanniao concept comes from the fundamental physics of flight. Aircraft must generate enough lift to balance their weight while producing sufficient thrust to move through the atmosphere. As vehicles grow larger, maintaining that balance becomes increasingly difficult. Analysts examining the Luanniao design have estimated that a platform of this scale might require roughly 340 meganewtons of thrust to remain airborne. To understand the magnitude of this requirement, analysts often compare it with existing aircraft propulsion systems. For example, the engine used in the F-35 Lightning II produces about 191 kilonewtons of thrust, which is already considered extremely powerful for modern aviation. When the numbers are compared, the difference becomes dramatic. A platform the size of Luanniao could theoretically require thousands of engines of similar power to generate enough thrust for sustained flight. Another comparison that helps illustrate the challenge involves the Antonov Tu-25 Maria, the largest aircraft ever built. That aircraft reached a maximum weight of about 640 tons, already stretching the limits of aviation engineering. When engineers compare that figure with the 120,000-ton mass proposed for Luanniao, the scale difference becomes extraordinary. Flying in the near-space region introduces additional complications. As altitude increases, the atmosphere becomes thinner, which reduces the ability of wings to generate lift. Aircraft must compensate through larger wings, higher speed, or more efficient propulsion systems. The Luanniao design includes an immense wingspan intended to address this challenge. Yet maintaining stable flight in such conditions would still require major advances in materials and propulsion technology. Because of these difficulties, many experts consider Luanniao a long-term technological vision rather than an immediate engineering project. Concepts like this often serve as thought experiments that push researchers to imagine new possibilities. Even if the aircraft itself never appears exactly as described, the ideas behind it could inspire advances in propulsion systems, lightweight materials, and high-altitude flight technologies. In other words, the importance of Luanniao may lie less in the aircraft itself and more in the innovations that the concept encourages engineers to explore. The Luanniao concept offers a fascinating glimpse into how aerospace thinking may evolve in the future. A near-space carrier capable of coordinating dozens of drones would represent a completely new type of aerial platform. While the engineering challenges remain immense, the idea highlights how rapidly aviation concepts are expanding beyond traditional designs. By imagining vehicles that operate higher, longer, and with greater coordination, researchers are exploring possibilities that could shape the next generation of aerospace technology. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, you can visit our website, SpaceEyeNews.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.